1937 इलेक्शंस के बारे में मैं बताऊंगी। Neither Congress nor the Muslim League approved the Government of India Act, but both of them would see as an advantage in contesting the provisional elections, which were to be held in January and February of 1937. Had at first wanted to boycott the elections to show his party disapproved of the act. Many of other congressmen, however, believed that taking part in an election campaign and its advantages. As Nehru himself said, by contesting the elections, Congress could carry its message to the millions of voters and scores of elections. Congress could carry its message to the millions of voters and scores of millions of disenfranchised to acquaint them with our future program and policy. The decision of whether to actually take up office could be made later. The Muslim League also saw the potential for getting its message across. Jinnah has been persuaded to return to active politics in 1934, had been sworn in as permanent president of Muslim League. It now laid down to be basic principles which is campaigned for officers. India should have self-government. These should be great professional autonomy and safeguards for the minority communities. Jinnah had believed that it was possible for Congress and the Muslim League to cooperate after elections, stating that unity and honorable settlement between Hindus and Muslims and the other minorities is the only pivot upon which national self-government can be maintained. Nehru, however, was not keen to improve relations and declarative that there were only two parties in India, British and Congress. Jinnah showed great contentment to the case of the Muslims, but the elections results was a great disappointment for the Muslim League. Congress won absolute majorities in 5 provinces and the largest single party in four others. It was invited to from ministers in United Provinces, the central provinces Bihar, Orissa, Madrasa, Bombay, and later Assam and the now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, even in the three remaining provinces Punjab, Sindh, Bengal, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa was the Muslim majority. The League did not fare well. It only won 109 of the 482 seats reserved for Muslims. The election has not been a success for the Muslim League, but it is brought benefits to them. It was the first major elections the League had fought and helped unity of the party after the eternal split of early 1930. The party learned a great deal about how to contest elections. It realized that it had to improve its organization and planning. The League now knew that its support lay more in areas where the Muslims were in minority rather than a majority. Where there was a majority, the Muslims did not feel threatened by Hindu domination. The League was also realized that it had an image problem. Its leaders were seen as autocrats and princes, where many Muslims at this time were poor and illiterate. यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि उनको गरीब और अनपढ़ समझकर उनको हुकूमत से हटाया जाता था और 1937 के इलेक्शन में पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग को बहुत ही कम सीट्स मिली, जिनकी वजह से वो इक़्तिदार में नहीं आ सकी।